Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. So I'm working away on this 1970 Thinline Tele. It's got some modifications, but it's mostly there. It's a fun, really fun guitar. Regardless, I just finished it up, but I noticed something, and I want to illustrate this. This is for anybody that's got problems with noise, and I'll point this out, okay? Now, maybe I'll turn that up a little bit. Here, let's do this. Now you can hear it. Okay. These are grounded. But that's entirely different. Yeah, that's different. This is grounded. This is not grounded properly, and I'll show you why. What you'll notice is this steel plate and bridge system has no ground wire. Okay? That's because this terminal here, this negative lead being soldered to the steel plate, the negative signal would run through the steel plate into the bridge, and the problem is it's not. This is old, it's slightly corroded, so there's capacitance, and there's an issue with the negative potential getting to the plate, thus causing an issue with the system. Oh, by the way, when dealing with vintage instruments, I always like to organize the screws accordingly so they go back in exactly the way they came out. Keeps things nice and organized. So what I'm going to have to do is run a dedicated ground line, just a simple wire, from whatever's convenient, probably the back of the pot, and just get it to lay down underneath the cavity here, and that should do the trick. Plus, this is part of the aggravation of this system. You'll see that the surgical rubber there, they're barely compressed, if at all. Okay, so I'm gonna cut some new stuff. It's been replaced anyway, so no harm, no foul. See if we can get this thing to do what it's supposed to electronically. So here's the dedicated ground wire. Okay, it's got a little peg in there to keep it from moving. Once the bridge gets down on top of that, of course it'll trap it and stuff like that. And I reloaded the pickup with longer pieces of surgical tubing, so they will tighten up once I set the height, and everything should be just fine. We've got everything buttoned up. It's more or less back in fighting shape, you might say. Just some screws to take care of, but we're going to test it and see how everything is, if it's connected properly. Okay, before I continue, I want to say thank you very much to all the new subscribers and the eyeballs. Really appreciate you guys, and by all means leave comments, good, bad, ugly. It's all good, all part of the social media stuff. Okay. One thing I can do, as I illustrated earlier, was a very low-tech way of doing this. Yes, it's buzzy because it's on. It's got a lot of gain on it. That's connected, that's connected, that's connected. And it's consistent. The buzz is consistent. I mean, it's really, guerrilla electronics, if you want to put a term to it. I'm going to put my meter on 20K, typical reading for pickups and such. We will test for continuity. Looks good to me. I'll put the negative lead at the cup and put the positive lead on the bridge, and that is a whole lot of zeros, which is exactly what we want to see. Okay, so we know this system is properly grounded, particularly into the bridge and into the strings, etc. Anyway, hope you got something out of that. As always, it's been a blast. My name is Steve. Thanks for coming out. As always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers.